So if you're looking at putting some running boards on your vehicle and you're wondering if it's easy to install them, yes it is. So I'm going to crawl underneath here and just show you how easy these ones are to install. This is just a basic running board. Obviously, there's probably lots of different kinds. The mechanical ones, those are going to be a little bit more detailed, but these ones are really simple. All right, and this is all it is. We got 3 bolts. So 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, there's lots more holes for other vehicles to install them. But as for this one, it's only got 3 here in the front, and then there's going to be 3 there in the back, if you can see that. But yeah, that's all it is to it. So pretty simple, just bolt them on and you are good to go.